Hey, pardon the mess. We're cleaning up the studio and rearranging some things. So you want to know why? You want to know why it's difficult to get a media pass? First off, anybody can tell you how to get a media pass. That's easy. So I'm going to give you a few reasons why and make your life a little easier. The first thing you should know is to give you a media pass is a hassle. No one cares if you take pictures with a cell phone because no one cares. But when you start to bring in professional gear, it becomes a different story. Venues, artists, management have to take the time out of their day to deal with what you want from them. So it's a headache. The next big thing is what's in it for the artist? What are they going to get by letting you have a media pass? What kind of value are you going to provide for them? I sat down with a artist friend of mine and we talked for a little while, and he told me that they give guys passes and then they never hear from them again. They're totally gone, so they don't know what happened to them. They never get to see the pictures, and they don't provide them. And that's what they really want, is to see what the pictures look like, and that's their big thing. The next thing is trust. You have to have some kind of trust between the artist, the management, and the venue. They have to trust that you're not going to act like an idiot. You're not going to do something silly. You're not going to take out and sell the artist's photos on the street. They want to know what you're doing and why they should give you that access. Another thing that you have to know is you have to have manners. Say thank you, provide them a way that they can see their photographs, do that kind of thing. There is an etiquette for doing this. Usually when I do it, what I'll do is I'll take and send a thank you card to whoever granted me the pass. The next thing they want to know is that you're not a liability. And what I mean by that is if they let you up on stage or in front of the barrier, that you're not going to trip on something, you're not going to get injured, you're not going to hurt one of them or stop the show or hurt yourself. So that's another thing they want to know. The next thing they really want to know is what quality is your work? What does your work look like? They want to know that if you're any good or not. And another thing they want to know is why do you want the access? What reason do you have for them to grant you that kind of access? So, if you're not a hassle to deal with, they can trust you, you're polite and have manners, you're not a liability, you do quality work, and they know why you want to have access, you have a legitimate reason to be there, chances are you'll get more apt to be getting a media pass. It's that simple. The other thing too is a lot of the times, well, 99.99% of the time, the artist wants to see what you did. They want to look at your pictures. They want to see them. They may want to use them. You have to have some kind of way to provide them access to the photographs that you have done. Some of the ways to provide access to the photographs so they can at least see your work is one, I've got a website and I'll make a private or hidden web page for artists, or if they want higher res, or a little more to it, I use Google Drive, and they can access a Google Drive, and I can share that with them, and they're able to get to their work. But you have to be able to provide a value, and you have to be able to give them something that makes giving you the access worthwhile. If you found any of this helpful, man, ring the bell. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. It helps us out tremendously. And we appreciate your viewing. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, confusions, you want to know something, leave it in the comments down below. We answer 99.999% of all our questions that we receive. So we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks again, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.